Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig from Janet Collection. They sent over the Melt Veil Bang version of their units. This is the Fuju wig. I have it in the color DR Latte. This unit comes with HD 360 lace and a 13x6 frontal spacing in the front, and then you can see that from the stock card you can make some different styles with it, and you're going to have that veil bang from the style of the wig. So let's get this opened and see what it's going to look like once we get it installed. I cut off the lace on the back of the unit since it is a 360. I'm not going to wear the wig up, but I didn't want that kind of pulling on the back nape area of my neck. Now it does have this band in here that is adjustable, so you can make the wig fit tighter on you, and I'm hoping that I don't even need to adjust it, that it will just fit perfectly. But they also have the bands here too, the adjustable bands for you to adjust it and make it fit tighter on your head, and then they have the combs there. I think finagled it enough with the bangs in the front to style it in the manner that I would wear it in. So I kind of tried to give it a little bit of a side part over here, just to kind of make the hair kind of go separate directions. I tried to mimic like the stock card, kind of see how it looks like that. The bangs are kind of like playful. It just depends on where you want them to sit at, because like having it like this, honestly, that's like way too much coverage over my eyes. Like I can see, but it's way restricted with vision. So I'm trying to, my process is kind of push them back a little bit. And then same thing over here. Okay, so this is my final style depiction of this wig. I'm just a little bit uncomfortable with the bangs that keep tickling my eyes, but I do like the shorter bang look, especially since I don't normally go towards this style. I feel like it gives me like this different edgy look, but it also is making my forehead not look as big as it is. Love the color of this unit as well. So it has like just a little bit of a red ish tone flowing through it. And then we have some brown. Hair hasn't been shedding or tangling, but since this is a synthetic unit, of course keep that in mind that you will probably need to keep a brush on you. There was a little piece right here in the front that was basically built into the wig that was long, so I had to cut it so that it would flow and fall in the same length of the shorter bang area. But don't you see how that gives it like a little bit of a different look, but you can't even see my eyes? So you have to kind of push it a little bit. So it's just all on how you want to wear it. And then it does have some good layers in it, so kind of pushing the hair back like that gives it a little bit of a style. I think it's just something different than what I normally would go for, so it just took a little bit of playing with to kind of see how I wanted to wear it. But overall I like it, and I will actually wear this wig out because I think it just gives me a different look, and it's something that I want to get comfortable with wearing, with having like the shorter bang. I ended up having to adjust the elastic band and the adjustable bands in the back and make it tighter because I felt like I had a lot of space in it. And if you guys don't know, normally my head fits pretty restricted in most wigs because I am on the bigger headed side. So for this one to have a lot of space in it, it will be big head friendly if you are someone who is looking for that. As a back view, if you guys have tried this wig from Janet Collection, let me know what you thought about it in the comment section. But if you guys have any questions about this unit that I didn't answer, make sure you leave them in the comment section. I'll make sure I answer those for you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye y'all.